So now here's a question, and this question is under set. They say example. Now, if now this is a universal set. This is a universal, this is a subset, this is a subset. No, this is a universal. They say in the universal, they have 1, 2, 4, 6, 9, and 12. This is a universal. So now they now say if the subset from this universal, we now have 4, 6, 12. And the B subset, we have 2, 4, and 9. So now they say list the elements of A complement, B complement. For B be that, then C we now have A complement intersection B. Then D we now have A intersection B. Then E we now have in bracket A union B intersection. So now, no, a complement. So now what we are going to do here is that we are going to what? Solve this question and see what will be the answer. So now solution. So now we have A. We have A complement. So now, when we are asked to solve a question, they say find the complement. Now they say we are going to find the complement of this or subset of this subset A. So now the complement of this subset A means what? The number of elements from the universal set that are not in the subset A. What are those numbers that are in the universal set that are not in the subset A? Which we have 1, 2, and then we have 9. 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 9. So now we are going to have 1, 2, and 9. These are the only elements that are in the universal set and that they are not in the what? In the subset A. So now this is your answer for A. Then let's go to B. They see B complement also. So now, as the answer to find B complement, we are also going to look at the elements that are not in that are in universal set and they are not in the subset B. So now, what are those elements? So we have 1, we have 6, and we have 12. So these are the only elements that are in the universal set that are not in the subset B. So now let's go to C. C now asks us to find A complement intersection B. Now, this A complement, that means what? We are going to intersect A complement and what? And B. So now we are going to say, okay, the intersection means what? The element that A and B have, the same element that A and B have. And when you check, you find out that what? 2 is the same and 9. So now it's only 2 and 9 are the what? Intersection of A complement intersection B. These are the only element because what? When you check, you find out what? In B there is 2 and in A complement there is 2. In B there is 9 and in A complement there is what? 9. So now let's go to number D. Number D now asks us to find A intersection B. Now when they ask you to find A intersection B, so you are going to check, okay, for the A and B, which element are the same? We have 4. I think it's only 4, yeah. When you check, you see there's only 4 that are the same. So you are going to say, okay, the A intersection B is 4. And that is all. So now let's go to the last one, which is E. Now this one they say A union B. So now they now say intersection. So now we're going to first find the union. And now let's say, okay, let me see A union B is equal. So now this A union B, that means what? It's trying to tell us that the elements that A and B have. So what are those elements? So we can say we have 2, we have 4, we have 6, we have 9, and we have 12. So now these are the elements. A and B did not have 1. You see, when you check, you see that there is no 1 in the subset A and B. So you will not put 1. But when you check, you see we have 2, we have 4, we have 6, we have 9, and we have 12. So you write them. These are the unions. You write them. Then when they come to the subset, when you come to subset, complement, sorry. When you come to complement, now, for here now, that they are telling you that what is the element that are in the universal set that are not in this A union B? What is the element? And when you check, you find out that what? The element is 1. It's only one that is in the what? In the universal set that is not in the A union B subset. So now that means our final answer, our answer is what? Our answer is 1. Thank you for watching, and please follow me up on Facebook.